In this video, we will see the new findings of graphene's record-breaking magnetoresistance properties at room temperature. Graphene, a two-dimensional material extracted from graphite, has unprecedented magnetoresistance at room temperature, which could one day have applications for how we store data. Graphene is stronger than diamond and conducts electricity better than copper. Flaws in graphene's material structure affect its magnetoresistance. Researchers applied an electric field to adjust the structure of flawed graphene. They then applied different magnetic fields to measure how its magnetoresistance changed. Graphene was more magnetoresistant at room temperature than any other material like graphite or bismuth, which was tested in previous studies. Magnetoresistant materials are already used in data storage devices. The researchers plan to continue studying graphene, and its applications will follow. Graphene's magnetoresistance discovery could open doors in exploring fundamental physics, because a two-dimensional material like graphene has a confined thin layer for the motion of charge carriers. The interactions between holes and electrons become extremely strong, and there is room to control these interactions and study what's governing them further.